Hey there, welcome back to See What We Can See. I'm John. Today we're taking a closer look at two iconic wildflowers, purple coneflower and orange coneflower. These vibrant blooms are not only beautiful additions to any landscape, but they also play a vital role in supporting pollinators and wildlife. Let's begin with the purple coneflower, or as it's known scientifically, Echinacea purpurea. Native to the prairies and woodlands of North America, purple coneflowers are true garden staples, but they're far more than just eye-catching perennials. They're also known for their medicinal properties, used for centuries by indigenous peoples and later by herbalists for their supposed immune-boosting benefits. The name Echinacea comes from the Greek word for hedgehog, which refers to the plant's prickly central cone. These spines are what makes the flower so distinctive. What might look like a single bloom is actually a collection of hundreds of tiny flowers called disc florets, all clustered tightly together. The combination of nectar and pollen makes purple coneflower a favorite among pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds are drawn to the nectar-rich florets. And as summer turns to fall, these spiky cones mature into seed heads that attract seed-gathering birds like goldfinches. This perennial plant is incredibly hardy, able to tolerate both drought and heat, making it an excellent choice for gardeners who want a low-maintenance yet stunning flower. Purple coneflowers thrive in full sun and can grow in a range of soil types, from well-drained loamy soils to clay. Once established, they'll return year after year with minimal care. Now let's turn our attention to its golden counterpart, the orange coneflower, scientifically named Rudbeckia fulgida, and more commonly known as black-eyed Susan. Despite the name, its blooms range from bright golden yellow to orange, depending on the variety. Unlike purple coneflowers, orange coneflowers are members of the sunflower family. Their petals, or ray florets, encircle a dark brown or black central disc, hence its nickname Black-Eyed Susan. These wildflowers are found in open fields and meadows, and, like purple coneflowers, they are essential for local ecosystems. Orange coneflowers are just as attractive to pollinators as their purple relatives. Bees, butterflies, and other insects flock to these flowers, especially in late summer, when many other blooms have already faded. Rudbeckia fulgida flowers for an extended period, giving pollinators a crucial source of nectar well into fall. Once the petals drop, the central disc turns into a seed head, which serves as food for small birds. Sparrows, finches, and other seed-eating species rely on Rudbeckia seed heads as part of their late fall and winter diet, making these flowers an excellent choice for wildlife-friendly gardens. Though they belong to different plant families, purple and orange coneflowers share a lot in common. Both are perennial, meaning they come back each year. They are both low maintenance and thrive in similar conditions, full sun and well-drained soil. And they both play an important role in supporting local ecosystems by attracting pollinators and providing seeds for birds. If you're looking to grow these vibrant wildflowers in your garden, planting them couldn't be easier. Both species can be grown from seed or transplants. Start by planting them in an area that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. While they're young, make sure to keep the soil consistently moist, but once established, these flowers are incredibly drought tolerant. One of the most stunning features of combining these two flowers is the visual contrast they create. The soft purple hues of Echinacea purpurea, paired with the bold yellows and oranges of Rudbeckia fulgida, create a dazzling display, especially when planted in mass. In addition to their beauty, these flowers bring life and movement to your garden. Watching bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds flit between the flowers adds a dynamic element to any landscape. Beyond their ornamental value, these flowers also contribute to biodiversity. Native wildflowers like purple and orange coneflowers provide habitat for countless species of insects, ensuring the health of local ecosystems. By planting these flowers, you're helping to support not only pollinators, but also the birds and animals that rely on them. As the seasons change, purple and orange coneflowers continue to stand tall, adding beauty to the landscape long after their petals have fallen. Their dried seed heads offer a natural texture to the winter garden, and of course, they keep feeding wildlife even into colder months. So whether you're looking to create a pollinator-friendly garden or just want to add some lasting beauty to your landscape, consider the hardy, colorful purple and orange coneflowers. Their resilience and ecological value make them an essential part of any garden. Thanks for joining us today on See What We Can See. Don't forget to subscribe for more nature adventures, and remember, nature is always waiting for you to explore. Get out there and see what you can see.